Time for some Disney Lorcana here today as we unpack this pack. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and please feel free to like and subscribe. Let's get to it here as we test our luck for Reign of Jafar here. Charlotte LaBeouf or Buff, Monterey Jack, let's go. Poe Dispel, there we are. Then we have Wilhelmina, Packard, all right. Lloyd, followed by Wasabi. There we go. Pua. They never come back. Pull the lever, my friends. It means no worries. Look at that. Perfect. And Jiminy Cricket. And Quick Shot right there today.